Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to uninstall BlueStacks on PC. Let's dive right in. The first step is to uninstall BlueStacks from your PC through the Control Panel. Open Control Panel. To do this, click on the Start menu, type Control Panel, and select it from the list. Go to Programs and Features. Once inside the Control Panel, find and click on the option called Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, scroll down and look for BlueStacks. Right-click on BlueStacks and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the program from your system. At this point, BlueStacks has been uninstalled, but the process is not over yet. There are still some files left behind on your system that we need to get rid of to ensure BlueStacks is completely gone. Now that BlueStacks is uninstalled, let's remove the leftover files stored in your program data folder. You can do this by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog, type %program data % and press Enter. This will open a hidden folder that stores application data for many programs, including BlueStacks. In the Program Data folder, locate the folder named BlueStacks. Once you find it, right-click and select Delete. This step ensures that any leftover data BlueStacks had stored in this location is permanently removed. And that's another layer of BlueStacks removed from your system. But wait, we're not done yet. BlueStacks also leaves behind temporary files on your PC that can clog up your system and take up valuable space. Open the Run dialog again. Press Windows key R to open the Run dialog once more. This time, in the Run dialog, type %temp % and press Enter. This will take you to the folder where Windows stores temporary files for different applications, including BlueStacks. Once you're in the Temp folder, press Ctrl-A to select all the files and folders. Then, hit Delete on your keyboard to remove all of these temporary files. Some of these files may still be in use, so if you get a message saying certain files can't be deleted, just skip those. Removing the bulk of them will help clean up your system. Now for the final step, cleaning up the Windows registry. This step is crucial because BlueStacks often leaves behind entries in the registry that can slow down your system. Press Windows key plus R one last time. In the Run dialog, type regedit and press Enter. This will open the registry editor. In the registry editor, expand the folder tree on the left and go to the following path: HKey Local Machine Software. Look for 2 entries in the Software folder: BlueStacks, BlueStacks NXT. Right-click on each of these folders and select Delete. After you've done this, BlueStacks and all its related files and entries should be completely removed from your PC. Your system should now be free of any leftover BlueStacks components. And that's it! You've successfully uninstalled BlueStacks and removed all its leftover files and registry entries from your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.